Today we're going to be unwinding a skein of yarn that looks like this. So the first thing we want to do is remove the twist in the yarn and then unknot it. Once you've removed the knot, then it's time to locate your tails. And these are usually at one end or the other. And sometimes your yarn might be tied together several times, so you can go ahead and remove those ties, but keep in mind that one set of ties will contain your starting and your ending tails. Once you've located your tails, it's important to go ahead and free up both tails. Then you want to lay the large oval out on a flat surface, and you want to slowly begin to wind one of your tails. And it doesn't matter which, I just usually go with the tail that looks the easiest to work with. And if you need to flip your yarn around a few times, that's totally fine. You want to try to keep the integrity of the oval the entire time that you're unwinding the yarn. So I'm going to give you a couple of tips for winding this up. The first is to never allow the oval to lose its shape. So as you're winding it, you might accidentally knock a few strands here or there, but it's important to put them back where they were on either side of your oval. And you want to wind slowly. It really won't take you that long. Just take your time and keep the integrity of the oval. If for some reason you lose the shape of the oval, I promise this will end in a knotted mess. So this is the most important thing to keep in mind while you're doing this. The second thing is when you're winding this, make sure you keep the grip on your yarn really loose. Otherwise, you will make it a lot fuzzier than you started with. So basically from here, just wind your yarn until you get all the way to the end. And when you get all the way to the end, your yarn ball should look something like this. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for working with me, and I hope you have a wonderful, awesome day.